Nandun tayo, pero nandun tayo sa real life, the messy life. And that's what life is. Our life can be a mess.
Sa kanyang eksklusibong sit-down interview sa GMA Integrated News, ipinakita ni Heart Evangelista ang kanyang newfound courage na harapin ang itinuturing niyang isa sa pinakamadilim na bahagi ng buhay niya. Nitong mga nakaraang buwan, naging masasakit ang mga natatanggap na salita ni Heart sa social media at ang mga ito ay galing sa isyu ng politika.
Parang in life, you do go through different kinds of bigat na attention as we get older. When you're in the industry and you fly very close to the sun, you get burned from time to time. But as you age, you gain wisdom from everything. So tumataas yung immunity mo. So siguro yun yung sukatan ng kung bakit ako nakatayo now.
Kaya ngayon, ang sabi ni Heart,
I think I really truly live for myself even more now, which is proudly selfish in a way, because alam ko kung mararating ko yung mga pangarap ko, alam ko kung ipagpapatuloy ko yung pinagtrabuhan ko ng 28 years, mas marami pa akong magagawa sa mundo. And that for me is just for myself.
Very loud ang public opinion ngayon. Minsan talagang brutal pa talaga. No? How do you protect the relationships that are really dear to you?
I feel like I have to really focus on myself, because if there's anything that I showed would be my vulnerability, and I cannot keep relationships intact if I'm not in the right state of mind. I really needed to focus on myself. I really needed to heal myself and focus on myself, because it's my career and it's my dream and nobody else's.
aside from the relationship with herself, may isang relasyon siyang buo ang pag-iingat niya ngayon.
The silver lining of the situation is my relationship with my mom. Talagang bumalik kami sa parang dati. And again, mind you, she was my original momager. I needed that solid backbone to be inserted again.
You take her around with the family.
Yes, siya na yung comfort blanket.
Ilalahad ni Heart ang iba pang detalye ng mga pinagdaraanan niya ngayon sa bagong season ng kanyang reality show na Heart World.
Isa siyang roller coaster this season, but that's the beauty about a reality show, is that you really present what's really happening, and I'm prepared to present that. I've always been very transparent naman. And so yeah, you will see, which can be entertaining for some, can be dangerous for me,